Hi, I'm Jesse with Canine Perspective, and then this is
Ilona.
she's got a couple classes left.
Yes.
She's a client of mine.
Exactly 2 left.
And this is
Maya.
And we've been working with Maya 10 classes now. We actually just had our 10th class. So if I look a little sweaty, it's hot and humid today, so excuse me. And if I sound stuffy, I have allergies as well. So we're going to just get started.
Yeah.
So Ilona, if you please just introduce yourself.
So like I said, I'm Ilona, and I'm a busy lady, and about 2 years ago I decided to get a puppy, and I got this one. Maya is a 21-month-old Tibetan Terrier. She's a firecracker, a busy doggy, and what I learned from you, she's a nervous dog.
Yes. Yes.
Which I thought she is an aggressive dog. But
correct.
That's not the issue here.
Correct. And then, so her being a nervous dog is what brought you to Canine Perspective.
Yes, to Canine Perspective, yes.
And then you had worked with previous trainers and behaviorists.
Yes. So Maya, at 4 months, she went to obedience training. That was like 2 weeks daily sessions. Of just basic obedience, so like sit, heel, stay, just basic things.
Right.
And then I did talk about the issue that I started to notice, her barking and everything, being scared of people are carrying things, and you know, the heavy coats and things like that, and what makes her nervous. They said they don't see the issue. There's no issue in their facility, nothing like that is happening. So they said they don't see anything.
Okay.
And then with time it got worse. And then I thought maybe a dog behaviorist can help.
Right.
So I turned into a dog behaviorist from Chicago, and we got nowhere. And this is why we're doing this, and look at her.
Right. So with the nervousness, right? So like at 4 months is when you start to see her display those issues, right? So you know, at the facility, because the environment, like they're not seeing these things, right?
Yeah.
And then it was food training, correct? Or was that when you were using the prong?
The prong.
The prong.
Yeah.
Okay. So was it prong paired with food, or was it just strictly the prong?
Just strictly the prong.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of physicality.
Yeah. Maybe
right?
the first couple of days they use some treats just to pick up things, but
Sure.
because they asked me to drop off a small baggie of treats, but I don't know if that was to feed her during her break time or for training.
Gotcha. Okay, so when you were dropping her off, so was it kind of like a board and train, but you would take her and they would train her for the day?
Yeah.
And you pick her back? I gotcha. Okay, cool. So